Hi! Mabuhay po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Ma'am Shirley. Ngayong araw na ito, gagawa tayo ng kinahuhumalingan ng mga estudyante. Ito ay ang scramble. Tara, simulan na natin.
You are watching More Fun in the Kitchen! Yay!
Maglagay ng milk sa ice cube tray. Ilagay ito sa freezer for minimum 4 hours. Then put this in a blender with evaporated milk and sugar. Turn on the blender for a few seconds. Idagdag ang ice cube, vanilla or banana essence, at red food color. Blend this again for 30 seconds. Kapag medyo hindi na gumagalaw ang mixture sa ibabaw, haluin lamang ito gamit ang plastic stick or plastic spoon. For topping sa scramble, hindi mawawala talaga ang powdered milk, chocolate syrup, at marshmallow. You can add more any of your favorite sweets like sprinkles or sago. I hope you like this, guys. If you like to taste this scramble kapag pasukan, please like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Salamat! For exact measurements, please visit our site, itsmorefuninthekitchen.com. See you next week for another great video. Bye! Gumawa rin ako ng super yummy chocolate shake. I will place the link in description below.